VSK Business Consultants, elevating hospitality in Chennai. Navigating the dynamic and competitive Chennai hospitality market requires a strategic approach that goes beyond simply providing a service. It demands a deep understanding of customer needs, efficient operations, and a proactive approach to navigating the ever-changing industry landscape. VSK Business Consultants provides expert guidance to help your establishment thrive. We offer a comprehensive range of services tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities presented by the Chennai market. Our expertise: strategic planning and market analysis, market research and competitive analysis. Conduct in-depth market research to identify key trends, analyze competitor strengths and weaknesses, and assess market demand for your specific niche. SWOT analysis. Conduct a thorough SWOT analysis to identify your establishment's internal strengths and weaknesses, and external opportunities and threats. Market segmentation and targeting. Identify and target specific market segments to optimize marketing efforts and attract the most profitable clientele. Business plan development. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your strategic objectives, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. Goal setting and performance monitoring. Define clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, and establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to track progress and measure success. Operational excellence and efficiency. Process optimization. Streamline operations across all departments, front of house, back of house, and support services, to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. Revenue management. Implement revenue management strategies such as dynamic pricing, yield management, and overbooking to maximize revenue per available room. Inventory management. Optimize inventory levels of food, beverages, and other supplies to minimize waste and reduce costs while ensuring adequate stock levels. Quality assurance. Implement and maintain rigorous quality assurance systems to ensure consistent product and service delivery that exceeds guest expectations. Financial management and growth. Financial analysis and reporting. Conduct regular financial analysis, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, to track financial performance and identify areas for improvement. Cost control and profitability enhancement. Develop and implement cost-effective strategies to reduce operating expenses, improve profitability margins, and maximize returns on investment. Financial forecasting and budgeting. Develop realistic financial forecasts and budgets to guide decision-making and ensure financial stability. Revenue management and pricing strategies. Implement effective pricing strategies, including dynamic pricing, package deals, and loyalty programs, to maximize revenue and profitability. Human resources management. Talent acquisition and recruitment. Attract, recruit, and select highly qualified and motivated employees who align with the establishment's values and service standards. Employee training and development. Develop and implement comprehensive training programs to enhance employee skills, knowledge, and performance in areas such as guest service, food and beverage service, and operational procedures. Employee motivation and engagement. Foster a positive and productive work environment that encourages employee engagement, motivation, and teamwork. Implement employee recognition programs and reward systems to incentivize high performance. Employee relations and compliance. Ensure compliance with all relevant labor laws and regulations, and maintain positive employee relations to minimize employee turnover and maximize productivity. Customer relationship management. Guest service excellence. Provide exceptional guest service through personalized attention, proactive problem solving, and a genuine focus on guest satisfaction. Customer relationship management (CRM) systems. Implement and utilize CRM systems to collect, analyze, and leverage guest data to personalize service, identify customer preferences, and build long-term relationships. Guest feedback and communication. Actively solicit and respond to guest feedback through surveys, reviews, and other channels. Loyalty programs. Develop and implement effective loyalty programs to reward repeat guests and encourage repeat business. Leverage technology. Utilize technology to enhance guest communication and engagement, such as online booking systems, social media marketing, and mobile applications. Why choose VSK Business Consultants? In-depth industry knowledge. We possess a deep understanding of the Chennai hospitality market and its unique challenges. Proven track record. We have a successful history of helping hospitality businesses achieve their goals and exceed expectations. Customized solutions. We tailor our services to meet your specific needs and budget, ensuring a personalized approach. Focus on measurable results. We are committed to delivering tangible and sustainable improvements to your business's bottom line. Client-centric approach. We prioritize building strong, long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, transparency, and open communication. Experienced team. Our team comprises experienced hospitality professionals with a proven track record of success. Contact us today. 9,840,336,999. Email vsbusinessconsultant@gmail.com. Website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. VSK Business Consultants. Partnering with you for lasting success in the dynamic Chennai hospitality industry.